Hello everyone, I'm excited to share with you how Microsoft 365 provides a seamless and consistent experience across all your favorite devices. Whether you're using a PC, Mac, iPad, or Android, Microsoft 365 has you covered. Let's take a look.
Alright, let's start by taking a look at Microsoft 365 on Windows. With Microsoft 365, I get 1 terabyte of OneDrive storage to use for backing up my files and so much more. With easy integration, I can open up my OneDrive folder and open up a Word document directly from OneDrive. Notice how seamlessly it loads, allowing me to edit this in real time. I can then go ahead and use a tool like Editor to go ahead and make some quick edits. It'll assign me an editor score and it can show me some of the improvements that I can make. For example, spelling, grammar, and so much more. Any of the changes that I make are automatically saved directly to OneDrive. So that way, if I want to access the file on another platform, I know that it is ready to go with the most updated version. Next, let's go ahead and switch over to Excel. I'm going to again open up an Excel document directly in my OneDrive. And you can see how seamlessly this one opened up as well. I'm going to go ahead and start making some changes, like some conditional formatting, so it's a little bit easier to see the numbers. Then I'm going to use a tool like Analyze Data to go ahead and insert a quick chart so I can visualize my data in a different way. Any of the changes that I've made over here directly are uploaded to my OneDrive as well. So in case I want to go ahead and share this link out to anybody and collaborate, they'll instantly get the most latest and up-to-date information. I don't need to go ahead and stick with emailing any attachments back and forth. In case you hit a snag anywhere during your experience, Microsoft Technical Support comes included with Microsoft 365 Personal and Family subscriptions. You can get help with the apps and your Windows 11 PC, ensuring your experience on Windows is smooth and efficient, making it easier to be productive. Now let's see how Microsoft 365 works on Apple devices. On a Mac, I can open up a Word document and the interface is familiar and intuitive, just like on Windows. I can use Editor here as well to make changes. On an iPhone and an iPad, I can access PowerPoint presentations from my OneDrive. The changes will sync up so I know I always have the latest version of the presentation. It's easy to make updates on the go. I still get access to a lot of the great Microsoft 365 benefits such as stock images and Designer. Whether you're on Mac, iPhone, or iPad, Microsoft 365 adapts to your Apple ecosystem seamlessly. Microsoft 365 doesn't just work on Apple devices, but comes with great features optimized to use with those devices. Microsoft 365 is also available on Android and other platforms. I'm using Teams on my Android phone to join a meeting. The app is optimized for mobile, ensuring a smooth experience. This will help me stay in touch with collaborators while I'm on the go. I can create and edit documents with a Microsoft 365 app quickly and efficiently. I can see my recently accessed files here, all synced up from my other devices. I'll go ahead and open one up, and now I can make edits on the go whenever I need to. While some features might differ slightly, the core functionality remains consistent and familiar. And once I'm done, it will automatically save the updates to OneDrive, so I can continue my work on my other devices. With OneDrive, I know my files are securely stored and accessible from anywhere. I can also use the OneDrive camera backup feature to ensure my memories are stored safely in case something happens to my device. I can tell it to include videos, if I should use Wi-Fi or mobile data for the backup, and which specific folders I should pull my photos from. I can rest assured knowing all my memories will be safe and sound. One of the biggest benefits of Microsoft 365 is its seamless integration across platforms. I can start a document on my Windows PC, edit on my Android, and finish it on my iPad without any hassle. I can respond to emails on Outlook, capture my thoughts on OneNote, all while benefiting from robust security that protects my data across devices. Plus with OneDrive, all my files are in the cloud, so I can access them from anywhere. The real-time collaboration is a game changer. My team and I can work together no matter what devices we're using. It just makes everything so much easier and more connected.
In conclusion, Microsoft 365 is designed to provide a consistent and powerful experience across all your devices. Its seamless integration and robust features make it the perfect choice for anyone looking to stay productive and connected. So whether you're using a PC, Mac, iPad, or Android, Microsoft 365 has everything you need to succeed. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share your own experiences with Microsoft 365 across platforms in the comments below. Stay productive, stay connected, and see you next time.